Hello all you Vikings, my name is Sebastian and welcome back to the bank database C# programming. Now for this episode we're going to pick up where we last left off. And we were working on the the transferring of money within our database from one user to another. And we made sure that you couldn't transfer more than you had. And also made an error in case it was more than that. We then made sure that if it was less than or the same as what you have in your wallet, that you can, if you enter a receiver's license number, as in your unique randomly generated number from the bank. So if you gave that up to another person saying, I want $100 for this or £100 for this, it would then start a loop to check if that user actually exists, because we don't want to send money out in the blue. So we made sure that whatever this is, if you just entered, so we start a for loop and it will count up all on the x-axis, all 50 spots on the x-axis, and it will check the third spot and it will check it for the randomly generated license number, which is there. It is on the third spot. And it checks that, and it made sure that if the receiver's number is equal to the login to our array position on the whatever number we're at, dot 2, then it also checked if receiver's number is, well, this is a bit of an odd position for this. You could actually we could actually move this off, because this checks if you've entered an invalid number. And there's actually no main reason to do that here. We could skip the entire for loop if we put it up here. Smart. Very smart. So wait. Okay, there you go. So now, if it's invalid license number, you will not attempt to transfer it. If the now I'm just freeball. I'm sorry. If it is bigger than or if it's bigger than 999 and less than. And receives, you have to mention these obnoxious. Jesus, come on. Receivers license number is bigger than, no, less than 9999. And then we'll do all of this, I think. Not completely sure. We'll check that in a moment. So again, why is it not highlighted? I don't like that. Let's start it to see if it will run. It won't. Beautiful. Okay, let's not declare it here because we've already done that for me. So yeah. Oh shit. Okay. So we're going to have to convert. Can we do that? Can we just let's try it. Console.convert. No, it's actually just convert, isn't it? Convert to string, and we will convert the receiver's number. That'll really be it for that line. So now if receiver's number is the exact same as what is in our login string position at number 2 on the Y. Well, that worked just brilliantly. Okay, well, actually it should be that our receiver's license number is equal to when it's converted. Is it gonna work? Bam. Okay, we've got another problem. So can our Okay, cannot convert string to int. I didn't know that was what I was doing, but okay, if you say so. It is an int, yeah. There's really no reason for it to be an int, to be honest, because you can check it just as well. So let's move it and not call it an int. Let's move it up here and call it what it should be. It should be a string. Okay, let's try it now. Oh shit, come on. So I have to do these. I have to check it as words. But I can't do that. Holy shit, my brain. Oh my god. What have I done? This is ridiculous. Okay, come on. Like, just give me back what I had a moment ago. It's much better. I liked it a lot more. Well, that just goes to show, check what you do before you try to complete it. Because you can end up alone in the dark. Okay, so is it still gonna tell me that's a problem? Yeah, it's because it's trying to. Oh, God damn it! It's no good. What we can do, is make a string, and we can call it receiver license num. We call it string. So now we have what we need to compare these two. Probably, most likely not. Oh, that's not going to work. There you go. Yeah, now we just run into another problem. Use of unassigned local variable. And again, so wallet has to have a value. It has to be 0. And license string also has to have a value, would be that, whatever. And this also 0, just to be sure. It works. Now it works. Probably not perfect. And most likely not, but here we go. Okay, log in, CMO 123, and we are given the balance. So we can transfer money, and we can enter below the wished amount of money transferred. We want to transfer 23,000, and that is valid because it is less than what we already have. And we would have to have a registered user's number, which we don't. Yeah. Okay. Okay. But what we also need is for the bank interface. Just in the beginning, we'll just. Oh God, I hate it when it does this. What have I done to deserve this kind of punishment? Okay, clear and clear. There you go. So now it works. The only problem is that there are a few problems. There are just a few. You know, nothing new, nothing too worrisome. Okay, so because we didn't have 2 users, which. Do I have a pen? Oh, I see a pen right there. Give me 1 second. This is very professional. Trust me, this is a high quality production. Here we go. Okay, found a pen. An old scratched up noodle pen. That's not what it's called at all. It's just a basic pen, really. Wooden pen. Okay, so well. Now we just need to make sure. Yeah, because when we transfer the money, we want to make sure that that the user that we're transferring it to, first off, it'll have to check the number that we're trying to transfer to, make sure that that exists, which it does check, and it checks it correct. Because what I entered was a false number and it doesn't exist, and it told me immediately, it told me that that doesn't exist. And then it just threw me right back, gave me a new option to do whatever, which was good. I then need to make sure that the money that I transfer to will take on that money and will store that money within that user's corresponding wallet. So that's what we need to do now. So that will be, this is where it appears that the user does not exist. And if it does exist, this is here, right here, all the magic will happen then. So if it does exist, it shall, is this after it checks the money? Or has it already done that? Yeah, it already has done that. Holy shit, this is so, okay, let's just walk through it because this is very confusing. So first off, it checks if you've answered 2, and 2 is to transfer money. It will clear. It will write out, please enter below the wished amount of money transferred. And the int transfer money will be whatever amount that is. It then checks transfer money to make sure that it is less than or equal to what you already have in your wallet, as in your current balance. It then asks for a license number for the receiver, which it takes in the int or string, whatever it is, called receiver license number. It then checks that number to make sure that it is greater than 999, which is just below 4 digits, which is the, we know 4 digits is the license number that every user will be given upon creating that user. And that will be exactly 4 digits. It could be anywhere from 1000 to 9999, no more than that. And that's what this checks, that the receiver's license number, as in the one that we want to transfer to, that license number is an actual license number, that it is within the bounds of what we've already set. If it is, if it isn't, it will tell you that it's not acceptable. So if license number is less than, or if it's bigger than, so that's good. If it isn't, if this doesn't match, if it is within the 4 digits bound, it checks that the license number. Oh, again, okay, this is probably to do the opposite. This is to check that it is greater than 999 and less than 9999, which again would be the appropriate amount of the current, whatever, it will be right. It will be a right and good license number, registered license number. It then starts a counter in the for loop, which will check every position on the x-axis, which means every user on the x-axis. Wait a minute. Okay, sorry about that. I just have to move the mic just a bit. It then checks every position on the x-axis, which means every user, and it checks below the password. It checks on where we stored the license number, as in like the third space, which would be the second on the Y. I should probably go upwards and not downwards. This is easier looking at it like a 0 and then 1 and then 2. So that's where the license number is stored. And if the receiver license number converted to a string is the same as what is already stored within the login array at that position. So we go across and we check, is this, we go down and say first user license number, is this what they wanted to transfer to? No, it's not. Okay, second user license number, is this what we wanted to transfer to? If it is, sorry, my fucking eye. Actually, if it isn't, and it is not, and we end up, oh god, at position 50, on the x-axis of our array, it just says the license number does not exist. And if it does exist, this is what we'll do. And now we'll get to it. Shit, my fucking eye. That's ridiculous. Why? Why do this? Okay. Is my eye all messed up? No, it's probably good. Probably look like a bright idiot anyway. So, what we will do... Should we start another... No, there's no point. Because we're already where we need to be. Because this check, it does every single time we take a step in the for loop. So the counter will actually have the correct value of the user on the x-axis. And we know that it is stored, or the license is stored at number 2. So we know that it's there, we know the user. We can then say position 3 is where the balance is, isn't it? Let's check. Yeah, that's where it is. So if we just go, let's just start out with the basics and then we'll figure out the rest. Because honestly, I'm a bit out of my league here, to be honest with you. That would be equal to whatever they had. So whatever they already had, plus the, did I call it like transfer amount? There you go. Plus the transfer amount. So the user now will receive the transferred amount. I wonder if we could, do you think we could like transfer a negative amount? Like, like actually steal from people? Fuck, that'd be good. Like just transfer like negative 10,000. It's like, wow, all mine. Very good. Okay, and then we will do a set curse position and we will tell the user that the transfer has been successful. So very much congratulations, you've transferred your money to a stranger, and you never know if whatever you've paid for is going to receive or going to arrive ever. Okay. So money transfer completed. Successfully, I think, although I'm missing an F, and that successfully. There you go. If I misspell anything, don't even like, it's not worth it. I'm not gonna remember how to actually spell things, and to be honest, that's really not what matters, so I don't care. And then they'll have to press enter, and then they'll be thrown right back where they belong, which is in the main menu. Again, so temp correct equals 0, and also log out, just to make sure it's also 0. If this happens, we'll make sure that correct is 0, that log out is 0, and that temp correct is 0. This is just in case, like, because we have a lot of do while, so all these statements will take a value and make sure that as long as we are here, we'll just continue doing this. So this is to not throw the user out before he wants to be thrown out, or she. I think we are about ready, aren't we? Like, we can now transfer money, and we should literally be good. Although there might be one issue, one pressing issue, but we'll have to figure that out. Because there's a chance that, oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. There's a chance that the transferred amount, which will be an int, cannot go into the shit. What now? What? In the butt? Like what? What? In the butt. Okay, let's just close that, start it up again, see if that happens again. If it does, I'm gonna like literally cry. Okay, there you go. So username Timo123, full name Sebastian. Okay, and we will have to log in Timo123, and Apple updates. You can suck a cock, please. Okay, so my user license is 8618. It's right here. I now have a balance of 50,000, which I should. So we can log out. We can create a new user, call him James 123, and his name James Brown. Original as fuck. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's log in again with him. We're not sure that was intentional. Okay. Oh, what? And okay. We're good anyways. And he has the number. Okay, so this is me, and this is James. He has the license number 2496, and he has a balance of 50,000, as you should. So I can log in as Timo103. I can choose to transfer some money. The wished amount, I want to transfer 10,000, and the receiver's number, it shall be James Brown. Did it happen? Oh, no, maybe we can check it. James, I don't think it did. No, it didn't. Transfer money, wished amount 20 to the user license number 8618. No, it didn't. Okay. And I think I know why. And the problem is a lot more fundamental than what you'd actually think, because like, oh, that's not really where we want to be. See, when we add the money, I'm pretty sure that it does. No, wait, it doesn't. It doesn't even tell us that it happened successfully. So something goes wrong just before this step. So this should be fine. There's a read line as well. So this never happens, does it? Like that, all this never happens. And the transfer amount is an int. So to be honest, this shouldn't even happen. Like you shouldn't be able to add numbers into a string and expect it to be successful. Like that's that's like a fool's hope. So what we can do, this is just making sure that this step even works. So this will be right, but this won't. Like, okay, actually, we will have to. Okay, we'll have to remove all this and create a new int. This new int will be transfer receiver wallet. Fuck if I spelled it right, but there you go. So this will house, see, it was right here, yeah. So transfer receiver wallet will be equal to whatever. So actually we have to convert that to an int 32. So we'll have to convert whatever is in login and on the position of counter .3. Shit. Oh god, I didn't even know I pressed it that many times. .3. So whatever is there will be converted into an int, stored in here. So that's fine. Then we take the well, that will be into transfer, I guess, again, into this again, but it will equal itself plus the transfer amount. That's now this, and then we'll put it into the counter position dot 3, no dot, yeah, dot 3, that will be equal to the transfer receiver wallet. God damn. Okay, so what happened, if you didn't get it, I created an int. This is just to house whatever value is in here. So whatever value the user that we're trying to transfer to already has is now within the transfer receiver wallet. The transfer receiver wallet is now, we then store within that whatever it already had, plus the money that we wish to transfer, and we then put that amount, the final added amount, into where we already had, where we already previously had the wallet. Yeah, so how much money we already had was stored at this location. We then just add whatever we wanted to transfer to that user, but we will have to convert it to a string, not a single. Did I add it? No, a string. Okay, good. It always does a little stutter then, I don't know why. Okay, let's see. It should work now, if I'm not mistaken. But we will have to make 2 new users. So Timo 1 of 3, full name Sebastian. Create it to. Okay, actually, this is Timo 1 of 3. I now got the license 9010. Log out. Create a new user. James 1 of 3. James. Create it. He's already logged in. That's nice. I like how it does that. It's kind of adorable, and it's not really a fatal error in the system because he's not logged in without actually being logged in. He's just logged in. So what do we wish to transfer? 20 to 90 10. Didn't really seem to happen now, did it? Okay, let's try again. So if it didn't, we'll have to give the user a bit of time. So a read line would be in place, wouldn't it? Would be in order. Okay, let's see. If well, this happens every time, doesn't it? No, we can't have it there. No, wait, this is actually stupid. I don't like this. Whatever is here, I don't like it. I dislike it very much. It's stupid. So if the receiver money is within the acceptable range, we'll start a loop, which starts at 0, goes 49, which should be fine. We'll go across all the x-axis, and then the receiver license number string will have to be equal to whatever is already in there, and if it is, we'll add all this to it. And if transfer amount is bigger than wallet, it will give you some time. See, I don't see why it wouldn't. Okay, so oh, are we in one of these? Are we inside one of these ifs? Yeah, we are. But it's in the less than or equal, so that's good. So we don't need that. No, we don't actually. Now do we? Or do we? See, that's the error that is supposed to pop out. And it should do that, not right there, but like like here. Should. Oh, is that an unclosed one? Oh, well, that is interesting. Oh wait, actually it was the same. Okay, good. Okay, we can try again. Oh, sorry about that. I hate moving the computer when it's on there. Okay, so let's see. Create a new user. Timo. Tempo. 1 to 3. Sebastian. Okay, create a new one. James. 1 to 3. James. James is a good name. I like the name James. So we log in as Timo 23. We'll write that code down up there. You know where to look. So it's 2338. We'll log out. We'll log in again as James 3. Oops. Okay, we'll still get in. Although an error occurred, we'll still get in. Like that. So we'll transfer money. We'll transfer 20 to 2338. Did it do it? I don't think it did. Oh, that's wrong. Yeah, but it didn't do it anyway. It is as if... Wait. If it's bigger than 1999, that's not what it says. 999 and less than 9,000. Don't see the problem, to be honest. Don't see it. Yeah. I don't really see it. This is kind of a big deal. Like it's not too good, is it? So if the transfer amount is less than or equal to wallet, so you can transfer 50,000 if that is all you have. No more than that. And then it will ask you for the receiver license number. But if it's bigger than what you have in your wallet, sounds dirty, it'll give you an error. But the problem is it doesn't give me that error. It just kind of falls out of the loop, and I don't see why it would. But the license number still is an accepted number, so this is not valid. Like this is not performed. This is not done. Although this might be. Yeah. Let's try. Do I still have it? Yeah, I still have it over here. There you go. Let's try replacing the and with an or. Because now we're just looking for either one. Should be fine. Like, I don't know. James. Oh shoot. James 13. James. Bang. Sebastian. Oh wait. Actually, let's just do Timo 23. Sebastian. Login. Sebastian. That's not it. I just fucking written it. Oh, we need to fix that somehow, so that it doesn't just, end the entire thing when I do it wrong. Timo 13. Sebastian. Okay. Timo 13. So we'll just write that down. Replace this with 5967. And create a new one called James 13. James. Okay, and we're instantly logged in. That's good. So transfer money. We wish to transfer $100 to 5967. Bang. It didn't do it. Did it? Probably didn't. Nope. And also I can't log in as anyone else. It can only be James. Okay, well, I think we're gonna have to pick this up next time. It doesn't really appear like I can like instantly fix this, and like I just really know what the problem is, because I don't. Actually, I might know what the problem is. Okay, stay with me. Just for a while. Stay, won't you? Stay with me. Okay. Receiver. License. Temp. Okay, whatever. Whatever works. See where we're at. Because it is, which is the receiver's license number, can't really be accessed like this, because we're looking at it completely wrong. Like the way we're looking at it is wrong, because we're looking to compare two strings, and that's what we're going to do again, but in a different way. Not sure it's in a different way, but you know what I mean. We're looking to compare two strings that weren't really comparable, because the one was in a string array. I don't know if this is going to help. We're going to test it. Oh well. Oh. Sorry, that's not what I wanted to test actually. This is what I wanted to test. Okay, let's see if this helped at all. If it didn't, fine. We'll fix it next time then. If it does, right? Okay. Nice. Stay classy, you know. So Timo 1 to 3. We'll just replace this, and when we are instantly locked in with the next. You know, we can just directly transfer. So James 3 JMS whatever. So okay, so JM is gonna transfer 100 to this. No, we're not. Okay, great. We are absolutely not. So that didn't work. Great shocker, I know. It's because of this. It's because of how we're checking it. So if the receiver license number string, what is this? Where is this? Where is this set? Like if I could find that. If I could find. Huh. Am I checking the wrong thing? You've got to be kidding me. Like, that can't be right. Are you fucking with me? Are you fucking with me? Wait. Am I only looking for this? Is this what I'm looking for? So I have a feeling like, yeah, that is what I'm looking for. Shit. Okay, so, well, okay then. Let's just go back on all my promises of glory. There you go. This is what I wanted to do. So what we have now is that well, the problem was that I can't compare an int and a string, but what I can do, so when we put that in there, we will take receiver's license number string and put in receiver's license number, and then when we go to check it, fuck me, Yeah, okay, we're gonna have to do a convert to string. Then we convert it. Oh, that's covert. Convert to string. Okay, so when we convert that to a string, put it in there, do this and that to it, stick a finger up the bum, you know, we'll be there. So username Timo123 James. Can I please log in? Timo123. Okay, Timo is now James. Whatever. 4189. Log out. Create a new user. Call him James 103 Sebastian. Okay. Oh god, that is very close actually. It's 41,646 and the other one was 41,98. It's very close. So we want to transfer 100 to 41,89. You see this shit? Fuck me. Like, that makes no sense because I just gained money by transferring money. But hell, it works. But then did Timo gain money as well? That's the question. He gained money as well. It's an infinite money loop. James, did he gain money? I think everyone gained. No. But I didn't lose money. So James gained the money, and it appears that I didn't lose it, which is, you know, it's good. It's a good bank. It's a damn good bank. Okay, well, that is really good. So before I go, well, okay, it's a very long episode. We'll do this next time and we'll touch up on the last little couple of things and we'll test it out by the end. So I will see you all next time. God, this was a long episode. Thank you all for sticking with me. A rating is always appreciated. I put a lot of effort into this, so please do be kind to me and leave your suggestions down below. And if you have any corrections that is not already corrected, please go ahead and do that, and I'll see you all next time.